everybody. Welcome to HLS Copilot Nuggets, or learning, I should say.
Yeah.
And we're getting close to the end of the year. My brain is fried, but I'm Mike Giannotti with
Daryl Rowe. Hey, Roddy.
And Daryl, there's something that recently we rolled out to Copilot, M365 Copilot, that really opens up some doors, especially for marketing and training. And what is that?
You're talking about the AI video generation using Create? Is that what you're talking about?
Yes, I am. So yeah,
Very
and
cool.
Create and under what we've done is taken something that is from OpenAI that we've incorporated in called Sora 2, which if you're familiar with video content creation, you know that's like a biggie out there right now. In fact, we just saw, we won't say the name, but a major, one of the major movie houses just signed a deal with them for content creation. But it's in 365 users' fingertips now.
Wow.
So what I thought I'd do, we'll do this, it's going to be fairly quick. And it's a process I've been doing personally for content generation. We're going to use Copilot to generate the prompt for the video instead of fumbling with what we want. And I thought we'd come right in here just to start off. So we're in just Copilot chat. Everybody should have this. And I'm going to select, if you don't know this trick, go down and go under more. And I'm going to say 5.2 quick response, because 5.2 chat GPT, it's going to understand Sora and Sora 2, how it thinks and what it's looking for. I'm going to say generate a 8-second, because they're 8-second video clip, or excuse me, generate, it would help if I remember what I was doing here, generate the prompt for Sora 2 to create an 8-second hyper realistic video. I don't know why I cannot spell realistic video of an executive exhorting employees to participate in the annual Give campaign.
Wow.
So I'm just using something simple. You could be more descriptive of the executive, maybe even include an image or something, but we're going to go ahead. I wanted to generate that prompt, so I'm going to submit that. And, rather than me fumbling, like I said, with the prompt, here we go. Create an 8-second hyper-realistic video, confident. Wow. Yeah, right? Look at this. Beautiful. If you want, I can also tighten this for silent video, rewrite it to match specific leadership style, CEO, regional VP, adopt it for holiday seasons. Why don't we do that? Let's say we want to rewrite the prompt for CEO style and for the winter holiday season. Little iteration. And again, I'm not very good at writing prompts, but I love that I don't have to be anymore. I let it write the prompts for me. So here we go. We have CEO winter holiday give campaign, create an 8-second hyper realistic video. Poised, it has all the pieces. Audio, if supported, clear, natural CEO voice. So here we go. Let's go ahead. I'm going to do one other thing. make it copy. I should have done this in the beginning. Copy and paste ready. I always put this in my command when I'm doing it so that it'll
Okay,
make sure it's handling the format.
that's a good tip. I didn't think of that. That's really cool.
All right, so here we go. Control C. And what we're going to do now is go to create. So here we go. This is where the secret sauce comes in. And I want to create a video. There is a new feature called Generate a Clip,
Hmm.
which invokes Sora 2. I'm going to go ahead, put all that in here, right?
Yep.
And select create and let the magic happen.
You forgot to add Santa to that. Like we should have done that.
The beauty of it is now I
Yeah.
did a single clip, but you can actually ask it. So let's say you want to do a whole storyline where you're
Yeah.
going to bring, maybe a series of 8-second clips. You
Hmm.
can tell it that, and then it will break up and create a series of 8 prompts,
Wow.
sequential for the story you can put in, or
Yeah.
that you can even, once they're outputted, then open them up, for example, in the video editing capability here
Yeah.
and stitch them together as a single contiguous video.
Yeah.
Um,
I see the link on the top right saying opening clip champ. So I guess when that's done, it will light up, right?
yeah, you have that option. So, it's going to go through, do its thing here. I'll trim out for our users some of this in between so they don't have to wait.
Hmm.
But again, this is generating this kind of content. Instead of saying hyper realistic, I could have said any which way I wanted it to look, black and white, sepia, uh, Van Gogh style.
Hmm. Could it be
Any
cartoons perhaps? You could maybe generate
cartoon,
some.
absolutely. Um, I've done for out on in my personal ones. I've done some. I used to teach Iaido with the sword, so I've done ones, and I've said in anime style, a samurai, and
Yeah.
it's done some crazy cool, renditions, leveraging that and using it.
Hmm.
So all right, so here we are. I downloaded it just to make it they're all on my OneDrive, these videos we're creating.
Hmm.
But here we go. So let's take a listen.
This season is about gratitude, about seeing one another, and about giving back together. Our annual Give campaign is one of the most meaningful ways we do that.
And so you can see it's creating this high impact video. I can
Yeah.
generate whole sequences of these. I can splice them back together in Clipchamp or release them sequentially, depending on how we want to do that. But Sora 2 built into Copilot. It's awesome. People ought to get started. We'll do some more end to end kind of workflow videos around this. But for that, that's it for today. This is Mike.
And Daryl, thank you.
And I got to get ready for an Excel presentation.
Okay.
Have a good one, everybody.
Thank you. Take care.
All right. Here we go.
It's the
Stop recording.
watermark as well. It watermarks that, so